Hello there, Paul Michael Bales here from Norfolk, England. Pleasure and honour to talk to you this beautiful morning. Today I want to talk to you and read a chapter from a book called The Solid Vault of Heaven by Gabrielle Henriette. This is chapter 4 on the solid dome of the sky. From the earliest times, it has been believed and said that the heavens were not an empty space, but a solid surface. The Chaldeans and Egyptians regarded the sky as the massive cover of the world. And in India and Persia, it was thought to be a metallic lid, flat or convex, or even pyramidal. Up to the 17th century, the earth was always regarded as the center of an empty sphere with solid walls. On this account, it was always represented with a cover. This indispensable complement, however, was eliminated upon the advent of the theory of gravitation. For convenience sake, as a solid dome, limiting the space round the earth would have rendered impossible the extravagant motions of the planets, which were sent revolving in the air at phenomenal distances. Thus, from this time, the fact universally accepted for thousands of years that the sky is a firm surface completely disappeared. Nevertheless, the possible existence of a solid vault over the earth is a question of great importance in view of the tremendous consequences which would result from this fact if it happened to be true. There is no doubt that the general reaction is one of incredulity, but on the other hand, it can be considered that it is not without reason the ancients believed in the existence of the material vault of heaven, nor without reason either that this notion should have been consistently handed down through the ages, since the earliest times up to the 17th century in all parts of the world. The only alternative would be to be able to prove the facts, but it would certainly appear at the present time that there is no means of doing so. It may be discovered, however, that a solid dome effectively exists above our heads in an indirect and quite unexpected manner, which the erroneous interpretation put on the composition of the planets had not so far permitted to do. It can be stated at this juncture, by anticipating on the next chapter, which deals with the particular subject, that the planets are not solid opaque masses of matter, as is believed. They are simply immaterial, luminous and transparent disks. and in view of these circumstances, it is plain that the craters, asteroids, mountains, and valleys which were thought to exist on the surface of these imaginary masses are the topographic features of the solid vault of the sky, which are illuminated and thrown into relief by the luminous and transparent disks which we call planets. It is able also to be realized that the lens of the telescope creates an appearance of convexity, which standing out in relief conveys the impression of a spherical mass, but this convexity effect is merely an optical illusion. The dome of the sky can be seen not only through the transparent satellite disks of the Earth with the help of the telescope, but also with the naked eye. Right. That'll do for part one of the solid vault of the heaven, the dome of the sky. I'll read another part another time. But I hope that you enjoyed this reading and to continue to look through my videos, the ones done in the past and in the future when I have some more up as well. And I hope you subscribe. There's more, plenty more to come, plenty more videos. Have a beautiful day. Peace and love from my heart to yours. And God bless you. Have a great day. Keep on searching for the truth. Keep on asking questions. Take care.